Are pump failures jeopardizing the health and survival of your livestock? With frequent maintenance and repairs, the downtime and cost to an organization is brutal. Pump failure due to heat, humidity, and salinity is one problem. Inefficient performance is another. But the giant killer is an improperly sized pump system. There's got to be a better way. After years of successful resolutions to such issues, we have the solution for you. At MDM, we manufacture efficient, non-corrosive centrifugal pumps. Using engineered corrosion-resistant plastics and best practice pump selection, we solve system failures. Our proprietary seal design assures fluid purity and extended service life. How does this impact your operation? Minimized downtime ensures an optimized harvest. Naturally, less time and money spent on operations and maintenance. And of course, no more stress. Inquire now. Let our application specialist guide you through selecting the right pump.